Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video we are doing a twist and rod set featuring Tru Balance Hair Care products. I will make sure I put the products or link the products down below and in the description box, so check that out. And while you're doing that, please take this time out to subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So let's get into it. All right, so we are using the MILKSHAKE moisturizing cream and the new wrap foam mousse from Tru Balance Hair Care, and I am using that to do my twist and roll today. Now usually I use a styling cream like a twisting cream or what have you to achieve this style, but I wanted to see how my hair would do in this style with a mousse. So this is why we're doing the mousse today. So and I purchased the product and I was excited and I just wanted to do a rod set. So instead of doing the traditional rod set like I did in my last video, I just kind of wanted to spice it up a little bit and do the twist and roll. So I did use the MILKSHAKE moisturizing cream as like a leave-in, and which you don't have to do. That stuff is optional. You don't have to do that, but I did do that. And I am using the wrap foam or the mousse for the real styler here. So usually, so what I do, I am treating this like I would a regular rod set. I am making sure the section is saturated very well with product, not too much to where it would create any type of product buildup or flakes or that nature, but enough for it to give you the achieved style. And I am rolling the twist around the roller in a spiral motion, and making sure that you want to make sure that you place that like rubber band closer to your root area. I want to make sure that's clear, so that means, you know, it can be taut. It gives you just a little bit of stretch, but you want to make sure you hold the twist very taut as you are rolling it down the roller. And that's even when you're doing a regular rod set as well. You want to make sure your section is detangled very well, and you want to make sure that you are holding the section very taut in order to achieve the desired look. Now y'all see those curls, and I was fangirling because baby them curls, if I did wash and goes, this would be a foam that I would use for wash and goes. But I haven't been the person to want to try to do those yet. I haven't quite mastered it, and I don't know if I want to, but you know, things may change in the future. But if you are a wash and girl type girl, yeah, go ahead and get your hands on some of this foam, sis. I'm just saying. So I am going to do that repeated step throughout this section, and then I'm gonna show you all the front, and hopefully you can get a better view of what I'm doing. All right, I am at the front of my hair, and again, I'm just going to go through those steps one more time so you can see better what I'm doing. So I am making sure that I am detangling my section first and foremost, and then I'm getting the products, making sure I got everything in front of me. I am getting the mousse, as you see here. I am applying that generously throughout the section, and after I applied that, after I put this section out my way, after I applied the product to the section, I am going to detangle that to distribute the product evenly throughout the section, but also just to do a little bit more detangling. As you see, you know, my hair is good and detangled, but you know, go through there again, girl. Try and get them edges, sis. So we are going to twist this section as regular, all the way down the shaft. And then when we are rolling, we want to again make sure that the section is taut. You hold it tautly as you roll the twist around the roller. Once that is done, you want to snap that roller in place, and you want to make sure that rubber band is closer to your root area. So that will give you the best hold, so it won't be loose, it won't come out, the roller won't come out, the roller won't be loose, and you get a tad bit stretch. This is why I like to do the twist and roll sometimes, because I do get a little bit more stretch than a regular twist out, just a little bit more. So I'm going to do that again throughout this whole section, and I'm going to leave you all to it. Hopefully this is relaxing to you to watch me do the rest of this section. All right, so it is time to take these rollers down. Girl, y'all see it already. You will see throughout the rest of this video how pleased I am with this rod set. Here I'm using the Tru Balance Bloom Oil just to help with taking down the twists, to eliminate a little bit of frizz, and to add some more shine, because y'all saw the hair before I put that oil on there. That hair was good and shiny. Okay, so I am very pleased with my set here. I am just taking down the twist very carefully, even though it doesn't look like it, but y'all know the footage is sped up a little bit. So I'm taking down the twist very carefully. I'm going to do that throughout my whole head, throughout this whole section, and then we're going to get to fluffing and separating the hair. Now, I will tell you all, I was very impressed by this foam product, this mousse from Tru Balance. It was thebomb.com, as you all see here and see in the end result. We'll see in the end result. My hair is very shiny. It's very soft, very bouncy. I had body, honey, and it was amazing. Okay, so I'm fluffing, separating now. I don't really fluff too much when I do rod sets, because I like for the curls to just kind of fall on their own and create their own volume throughout the days. But I'm doing a little, I did a little fluff though, but I'm separating very carefully. Again, it's sped up so it looks kind of rough, but you want to do this section or this part very carefully and just separate the sections where your hair just kind of naturally separates. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed the results here. Again, I'll link everything in the description box below. I do have a code with Tru Balance, JESS20, so save you some coins if you're interested in any of their products, this mousse, the milkshake, or any other products that they have on their website, hunty. And yeah, follow me on all my social media outlets, Kinky Girl Talk, and I will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.